Breathing in, I listen. Breathing out, I smile. 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 Breathing in, I listen. Breathe out, smile. Breathing in, I listen. Breathing out, I smile. Breathing in, I listen. Breathing out, I smile. Breathing out, I smile.
Breathing in. We breathe in together, and then we breathe out. We breathe out. Imagine your heart smiling. Imagine your heart is smiling. As we focus on the breath, we feel the inhale into our body, and then we feel the exhale. We know that movement is a symbol, is a metaphor, is a powerful presence and reminder that we are each that one presence and one power, that we are each an unrepeatable configuration of the divine and can be nothing less. As our co-founder Myrtle Fillmore said, if you leave out everything but the one presence, the one power, the one life, one love, one health, one wisdom, one joy, that is wholeness. If you leave out everything but the one presence, one power, one life, one love, one wisdom, one health, one joy, that is wholeness. And so we breathe that together, that wholeness that is our true nature. That we express in times of great celebration and in times of great pain and suffering. So we breathe in together one more time. And as we exhale, feel the comfort, feel the rest. Feel the wholeness that is you, that is each amazing, beautiful creature sitting to the left of you, to the right of you, in front of you, and behind you. Feel the comfort of that support, of that celebration, of that wholeness. So let's just follow and give our attention and intention to our breath in the silence, in the silence. If we leave out everything but the one presence and one power, one life, one love, one health, one wisdom, and one joy, that is wholeness. And so we go forward today as that wholeness, as that unique, unrepeatable, divine configuration that can be nothing less. We be it as kindness, as compassion, as silliness, as friendship, as community, as belonging to each other. And so it is. Amen.
From the majesty of the Almighty, from the Maker to the made, in the mystery of the moonlight, I create. sunset that is brushed upon this land. Within this sacred circle, life is at hand. From Buddha to Mohammed, Moses and Jesus the man, to the Dalai Lama, they have all walked this land. Within this sacred circle, life is at hand. The keys in all sacred writings, and on the oral tongue of man, in the midst of your true passion, you know heaven's hand. If it comes through the silence and grows on fertile land, at the gateless gate of my existence, I am the living plan. Within this sacred circle, life is at hand. Life is at hand.